While scrolling through Amazon's spicy food section, I came across International Popcorn Company's Devil's Heat Popcorn Challenge, which immediately I'm like, all right, let's see what it is. It is a scorpion pepper infused popcorn with candy and such. Let's give it a go. So apparently this challenge is can you eat the whole bag? It is organic popcorn, corn syrup, cane sugar, soy, lecithin, Trinidad scorpion pepper, candy flavor, and natural flavor. It does contain soy. Warning! Do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. After touching the popcorn, wash your hands and do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. All right, that's all it is. It's a bag of popcorn with scorpion pepper. Get a ripping and a tearing here. It smells like, like candy, like caramel corn, kind of like kettle corn. Kettle corn is what I'm looking for. Not too many in there. Just a few is what I meant to say there, but I can't speak sometimes. Yeah, not a whole lot in there. It was about, I think it was $10. So let's see how many are in here. All right, starting with number 1. Scorpion pepper popcorn. There's heat. Oh yeah, there's heat. There's absolutely heat. That's kernel number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'I can't tell if this is going to kill me or not. 8, 9. Is it going to creep? I mean, there's heat. There's definitely heat. 10, 11? I don't know. I lost count. I mean, it's good. There's heat. There's definitely heat. But in my opinion, I don't know if the candied corn, the candied popcorn goes with the pepper of choice here. That's just me. That's an opinion. It is good. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm not tapping out. I'm getting bored of chewing popcorn, though. If I'm getting bored, you're probably really bored. Just about there, though. A couple more left. Going by a handful now. Is there like a afterburn we got to ride out or no? Doesn't matter. Oh, that's good stuff. That is the Devil's Heat Gourmet popcorn. It's a good snack. Do I got a sniffle? On a heat scale, I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 10. I mean, that heat, it's an instant heat, but then it kind of dissipates, but it's on my tongue right now. I mean, it's good. It's a good burn. Flavor, though, it's a 7 out of 10. I'm not a big kettle corn kind of person, so it doesn't really tickle my fancy a whole lot, but it is good. It's definitely good. It's International Popcorn, if you guys want to check them out. It's on Amazon as well. Yeah, there's heat. I'm feeling it. Absolutely. But it's nothing that's going to knock your socks off. But if you're not used to it, maybe it will. It's good. I mean, there's a good burn. But it's no like death nut challenge or anything like that. That's for sure. So that's all I got. Good night. God bless. We'll see you next time.